Embedding a Twitter feed to your NetSchool page is a powerful way to engage your audience on either following a specific hashtag or even the tweets of a specific user. The end result will look like this, and it's actually a pretty easy task to accomplish. What you'll need to do is log into Twitter. The easiest way to do it is from your computer. When you log into Twitter from your iPad or another tablet or other device, your Twitter feed will look a little bit different. So for me, the easiest way is to just use a full computer and go to Internet Explorer. When you are in Twitter, you'll simply go up here to the search box and type in the hashtag that you're wanting to pull all the tweets for. So for example, I want all of the tweets to show up for NISDTIA. And you'll see right here, anybody who has tweeted and tagged the hashtag NISDTIA will show up. At this point, I can just click on the dots, which is the symbol for more, and it then will just give me the option to embed this search. When I click on that, it will allow me to create a search widget. So for example, I am on the search tab, and it went ahead and popped in NISDTIA, and it asks me a few questions. I can choose to make my feed light or dark. Since I'm going to put it in my NetSchool page, I'm going to go with the light option since that matches the rest of the page. And then you'll click on Create Widget. Now, before I create the widget, I just want to show you if for some reason you wanted to go to a user's timeline, so you wanted all of your specific tweets to show up in your feed, that's where you'll do it. You'll just click on User Timeline and it'll ask for the specific username, and then you have the same option to make it light or dark. But for this particular video, I'm going to add a search for NISDTIA. It actually changed my hashtag as I want to show you that. So I'm going to go to NISDTIA and click on Create Widget. Now when I clicked on Create Widget, it gave me an HTML code down here, so I'm just going to right click and copy that code. Now I'm going to go back to my NetSchool page, and you'll see that the widget is over here in a block. So you'll just want to make sure that you have editing turned on. So I do have editing turned on. And I'm going to go down here to the bottom of my blocks, and it will give me the option to add a new block as long as my editing is turned on. And I'm going to add a new block with an HTML option. When you do that, it will bring up a new block that's blank, and you're just going to click on the gear, which is the symbol for settings. And I'm just going to give my block a title. I'm going to call it Twitter feed and then the hashtag. And right here, because I'm using Internet Explorer, it doesn't have an option that allows me to click on HTML. If you are using Firefox or Chrome, there will be an option here to just click on HTML, and that's where you'll paste the HTML code. Since I am using Internet Explorer, it shows that I'm in HTML right here at the bottom. So that'll just be one thing you'll want to keep in mind. If for some reason you are in Firefox, you'll just need to click on HTML up top here. There'll be an option there, and then you'll paste the code. And that is pretty much all you have to do. As soon as you click Save Changes, you will see this HTML feed updated, and it'll take a second to load the tweets. But as soon as your page finishes loading, your tweets will be over here to the right, as you can see right here.